What's up, everyone? It's Nick from California Tiny House on another tiny house tour. Today, we're doing 10 by 24. The kitchen's great. Apartment size refrigerator, induction or electric cooktop, convection microwave. Even though we're doing a full 1.5 inch butcher block, it still has the removable cutting board that we always use with the backside oiled so you can actually cut on this instead of your countertop. And check out the sink, it's super deep. It's like 12 inches deep almost. Another cool thing about this kitchen is it actually has a dishwasher. So dishwasher drawers work really, really great in tiny houses, especially if it's in like a kitchen or something that's over the wheel well. You don't have to put a full-size dishwasher in because it sits above this. I mean, on that side, obviously. Tiny house, tiny dishwasher, it works. And the loft is great. Fits a queen-size bed. It's got a really easy to remove ladder. You just place it right down, and now it's locked in place. Climb straight up, queen-size bed, sit down, lay down, enjoy your night. You got wrap-around windows, panoramic windows, if you will. They'll wrap your whole house. You got a great view from up here. And then it just stows right back. All around, great loft, decent headroom, queen-size bed, but you know us, we don't use ladders to our main lofts. So let's go look at the actual master. Staircase with our signature landing, actually over the top of an awesome built-in fireplace with tons of storage for books, and then an entire full bottom cabinet. All the stairs are, of course, always storage because you don't want to waste any space. And then a comfortable space to walk up and you can actually stand. The client can anyways. Closet. Hanging storage, and then check this out. So if your mattress goes back this way, you've actually got a built-in bedside table that you can access from right there. It's totally open. Having this open feeling in the loft is great because it gives you not only more natural light coming through, but it just makes the whole space feel just more open in general. Speaking of open, this open space right here is for a sofa or, you know, small sectional. There is no TV in the living room, traditional TV anyways, but we did mount an outlet on the ceiling here so she can have her projector and then a screen that pulls down. For people that don't watch a lot of TV, it's perfect setup, so you never miss movie night. We've done a lot of, you know, transition windows or bar windows, pass-through windows is what a lot of people call them. And it's a place where you can sit, you can eat, you could work on a computer, and or you could open up your window and you've got, I mean, 5.5 feet of, you know, natural light coming in. It's 5.5 foot square. That's a big window. The thing is huge. In order to get enough support for an actual table, you can't just have a simple, you know, you have to brace it back from the back and the corner. But it works and it looks cool, very industrial. And it matches the other side where her kitchen is and her bathroom teepee holder and her loft supports and her ladder support for that matter. There's pipes everywhere in here. Pipes, more pipes. Got a full-size bathtub. Got compost toilet. Got a little cell phone paper towel holder combo. More pipe. Yeah, paper towel. No, toilet paper. That's what I meant. Don't use paper towels. I'm talking about, we hid the plumbing in this by creating just a section off the back here, and rerouted all the plumbing so that this client could have full drawers. I will explain this big notch in the bathroom later. Let's go outside and we'll talk about that right now. Another cool thing about not only the space and openness of this house, but the 10 wide allows you to have a 52-inch ceiling fan. 52-inch ceiling fan. That's cool, I like it. Nice big red door, white trim, blue house. Feel very patriotic in front of this thing. But you'll notice this is a little bit unique for us. This full exterior is all board and batten. It's not something we do very often, but we love it. It's a very cool look. We do it using marine grade plywood. Yeah, sorry about all the dust. But you know, it happens when it's inside of a warehouse. But yeah, we accomplish a board and batten house. We use marine grade plywood, and then we batten every 2 feet, 16 inches, 4 feet, whatever the client wants. Another thing you'll notice is it's got a cool roof line. It's not just the same square box that, you know, I don't want to say we haven't done it too, but that shed roof is a very popular look for tiny houses. Because there's no loft in this section, just not using the space for anything else, something that just breaks up some of the boxiness of the outside of a shed roof style house. There's some big tall picture windows. From the outside, you notice that they're not the same, but that's because they actually follow the rise of the staircase. And then this bump out here, this extra 2 feet, is where you stand for your landing. Under here is fireplace, that build out. Gotta step over my forklift here. Closet, bedside table, tankless water heater. Remember that spot on the inside we were talking about in the bathroom? We did something unique with this house. Most of the utilities are still in the back like we do in a lot of our builds. Condensing unit for the mini split. Behind this panel is the electrical panel. Some exterior storage. That's actually her tiny house bicycle garage. In order to create this garage, we actually had to build off the back where we already had the utilities anyways, but we also took a portion of that bathroom. That's that notch in. That gives you the depth to be able to put camping gear, bicycles, all of that stuff in this space. Tiny house garage, seriously.
You don't seem very serious.
What do you mean? Of course it seems serious. There's 2 bikes in here. It's a tiny house garage, put whatever you want in it. She has bicycles, maybe you have fishing poles, camping gear, whatever. It's your space. Nick from California Tiny House here on another tiny house tour, 10 by 24, and it's awesome. Hashtag tiny house garage. Robot apartments.
Yeah.
For all you Futurama fans.
Yep. This is the tiny house. The rest is just a closet.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Tiny house garage, man.
You should ride one of the bikes.
You should ride one of the bikes.
They're both
Cool. All right. Do we get everything we need?
I think so.